guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Ysay, and here in my channel I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials like this every Thursdays. So if you want my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So for today's vlog, this is my final look for the month of November for Halloween. So I created this look as a Harley Quinn from the movie Birds of Prey. So this is my own version of Harley Quinn. So if you like to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. I'm using my e.l.f. primer for my face before putting all the makeup and spreading it with my fingers. And now I'm taking this white cream which I bought from the dollar store, and I'm just spreading it all over my face. And then I'm gonna use my e.l.f. sponge to spread and smooth everything out. I'm using the dabbing motion, and I'm not contented with the white cream. I added the e.l.f. 16-hour concealer in shade white and added it on my under eyes, and then I tried to spread it, and I think this e.l.f. concealer is giving me the outcome that I wanted, so I just keep on putting it all over my face. Now I'm grabbing the L'Oreal Infallible Pressed Powder. Using my Real Techniques brush, I'm just brushing it all over my face, but it's all spreading. It's so powdery, so forgive the smoky effect there. And then I'm just spreading it all over my face, and I'm using this lip liner from Milani. So I'm just gonna use it as my eyebrow. So I'm just lining both my eyebrows with this lip pencil and just spreading it and creating a nice eyebrow. So I choose red just because it's Harley Quinn, so it's just my own version. So just creating the eyebrow, and then my next step would be just brushing it and cleaning up some rough edges. Then I forgot to just put some Buxom lip plumper on my lips because it's quite dry, just to rehydrate my lips. And then I'm going to proceed on my next step is the eyeshadow. So I'm using the Jackelyn Hill from Morphe. It's the volume 2 palette, and I'm grabbing the shade red color. The name of the shade is Heat On, and I'm just dabbing it gently on my eyelids. And then I'm grabbing the darkest color, the black color, and putting it on my inner eyelid and just spreading it all over. And I'm trying to buffer the rough edges. And as you can see, because it's black color, there are like some fallout. So I'm just cleaning up some fallout with a brush. And I'm digging in again in the black shade and taking a clean brush to spread and buffer some rough edges, and just doing a buffer motion to blend the two colors together. Now with another small shader brush, I'm just it's a clean brush. I'm just cleaning the rough edges and buffing also the red color. Now to the next eye, I'm getting another flat shader brush, and I'm just dabbing in the black color on the other eye. Now I'm taking this my Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil and just marking my eyes to create a diamond look. Well, I tried to make it perfect, but that's okay. So I'm just trying to line it up. It's not even or whatever, but yeah, it's just a look. So trying to spread it all over my eyes and creating a diamond look, and I overlap it on my eyebrows and just filling the gaps with the dark or black eyeshadow from the Jackelyn Hill Morphe palette. And I am also filling with the dark shade under my eyes and just trying to buff everything in and trying to make it smooth. And now I'm taking my Essence eyeliner pen to make the triangle a little bit sharper. I tried my best to make it a perfect diamond, so yeah, forgive me. And then now I'm taking a brush and dipping it in the red shade, and just buffing out the outside of the triangle with the red shade from the Jackelyn Morphe palette. And now I'm taking my pencil eyeliner and also creating and finishing up on the other eye. I'm just lining it in the between of my eyelids and going down to my face and just trying to create a straight line. Now I'm taking my smaller brush and dipping it on the red shadow and putting it under my lash line for the final look on this eye, and then grabbing also another small brush and dipping it in the black shadow and putting it in my inner lower eyes. So I'm grabbing a gel liner in black and creating a wing line. Now I'm taking a glitter sticker from the dollar store that I have grabbed yesterday, and I'm just taking the black glitter from this and just putting it on the ends or here on my eyes. I'm just putting the black glitter, and on the other eye I'm just putting the pink glitter. To finish up the look, I'm just using the same lip liner that I used on my eyebrows and just doing an extended lips, just like a clown or whatever, and then creating a heart-shaped lipstick or lip. And now I'm just doing the finishing touches. I just grabbed another buffing or the fluffy brush from my face and dabbing again the face foundation to clean up some rough edges or some fallout. And I'm grabbing my small buffing brush and using my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer and trying to contour my face so that it won't be too white. And yeah, and for my brush I'm using the Milani Luminoso blush, and just to finish the look I'm using also false eyelashes from LA Color, which I grabbed from the dollar store. It's very cheap. And then yeah, I tied my hair and tried to color with the blue and pink shade. It's a chalk hair chalk. And yeah, so this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. guys, this is a final look. I hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial, and I hope you find this helpful, especially this Halloween season. And for the whole month of November, I created Halloween looks. I mean, easy Halloween looks for you guys for Halloween. And if you would like to view some of the looks that I have created, I'm gonna link it up here for your reference. And yes, let me know what you think about this look. Mostly I used for creating this look is the Jackelyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and the gems that I have put on my face, I grabbed this from the $2 store. And also the first one that I put as a face cream is a white cream. So create this white look is also from the dollar store, but I really don't find it helpful for me, so I just used this white primer in white 16-hour camo camouflage concealer in white shade. It helps very helpful. This white cloud look for Harley Quinn. And yeah, and if you would like to know my hair color that I put on my hair, I grab it also from the dollar store. It's a hair chalk. You can wash it with water. And because my hair is quite dark, so it won't really show up that much, but yeah, it works for me. So I hope you find this tutorial very helpful for you guys. Please don't forget to comment down below on what you think about the look, on what you think about the video, and I would love for you to also let me know if you want to recreate this look. I would love to hear from you guys. So yes, and I will see you again for my next video. Thank you so much for watching and for tuning in, and thank you, and I hope to see you more for more vlogs or more makeup tutorials, especially this coming December. I'm planning a more fairy look or winter look vibes. So enjoy guys,